Hi, hello, good morning. Officially on my 9th day of unemployment. Did a little bit of yoga when I woke up this morning. I'm going to go on a little adventure hike type of thing with a friend later. I'm gonna try to make this kind of quick because I don't have that much space on my memory card, and I just decided to randomly film myself getting ready today. The look I'm gonna do is like my version of a natural look. It's not natural, I'm putting glitter on my face, but it's simple and it's cute. It's got a little bit of color with the glitter in it, but the rest of it is very like face focused, foundation focused, and I love having just like a really beautiful like clean slate and then throwing on a little bit of glitter in it. Then I feel very I feel really pretty when I do it. So thank you guys for watching. You can follow me on Instagram. That's where I am most active for sure. All the links are in the description below. You can check me out on Twitter. But if you like this video and subscribe, that would be awesome too. Thank you very much, and I'm gonna start right and this is the final. I'm gonna wrap it up really quick because my battery's about to die, but thank you guys for watching. Please check out my Instagram, like I said in the intro, all of that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy the nice weather while I can, and I hope everybody has a great day. Stay healthy. I will see you on my next whatever I do. Bye. Thanks for watching.